does Max have?
Call him, Max.
Max, call him over there.
Show him his new ball.
What are you supposed? What are those?
Shoes on it. You give it to him to chew on.
Hey, Elvis, there you go. Happy birthday. Hey, Mommy, did you bring dog ice cream?
Yeah, we got dog ice cream.
Yay! We better give it the dog ice cream to him. But first we do a cheer.